didn't miss what you missed. You missed? Dang it, you meant test subject. I'm being taped today.
Yeah, I'll just do it again.
How are you today?
Pretty good, how are you?
Oh, I didn't get it. Do it again.
Oh, dude, sorry.
Do it again. I didn't get it. Chaz, how's your day today?
Hey, man, what's up?
Are you doing good?
Yeah, I'm going to put some drums.
I swear to God. Will rain on me?
Do it.
Rain on.
Do it. I didn't get it.
I'll hurt you.
Oh, I didn't know he meant that.
What do you think he meant?
I don't even know what I was thinking. Whoa!
Hooray!
Kevin, come here. What did you think?
What?
Come here. What did you think of that? Hit the square button.